Hey guys, today's video is on logarithms. Make sure you know how to pronounce it. It's pronounced logarithms. So to short, a log is just another way of writing exponents. For example, let me zoom in a little bit here. We're going to have a log with the base b, and let me color code this for you. And of a, it's written as log base b of a, and it's going to equal x. Go ahead and make an x right here. And to convert that into an exponential form, you're going to write b raised to the power of x. That's going to equal a. When we're going from log to exponential, the way that I like to remember is that exponential starts with e, and I'm going to draw an e just like that. And notice how I drew my e, where I started. I'm going to do it again. I start at the b, then I touch the green x, then the red a. And that's the order that you write your exponential form. You go the b to the x equals the a. Let's go ahead and do some examples going from log form to exponential form. Starting with number 1, I'm going to draw my e. 3 to the second power equals 9. And that's all you do. Log to exponential form. Let's do another one. Number 3, 7 to the 0 power equals 1. That's an accurate statement. And just so you know, if there isn't a number down here, you're going to assume it is the number 10. An imaginary log, just a normal log, there's an imaginary 10 right there. Just keep that in the back of your mind for future examples. Doing number 5 now, 4 raised to the negative 2 power is 1/16. And that's how you rewrite logs to exponential form. We're also going to have to go now exponential to log form. And let me show you on the side what that's going to look like. Here again, we have our exponential. Now to convert that to a log, I'm going to draw a capital L for log. And again, notice how I touched each of the letters. I started with B, then A, then X. So we have log base B of A equals X. Doing this for number 7, 14, 196, and then 2. So we write log base 14, 196 equals 2. Let's do a couple others. Number 10, writing our L to put it into log form. We touched 136, then 6, then 1/2. Log 36 of 6 equals 1/2. We're converting from exponential to log. Let's do one more. Number 11, 2, 1/8, and then -3. So we write log base 2 of 1/8 equals -3. Exponential to log. Let's move over to the back. Now this top portion just reiterates what we just did. There is just a little something on the side right here in this example saying that we cannot evaluate a log of a negative value. That doesn't exist, but we'll talk about that more in a future video. Now, this first couple problems are just going to be practice for you, changing from log to exponential. You can try those if you would like, as well as changing from exponential to log like we did on the next part of the video. Now, the last part of today's video, we're going to actually evaluate and solve for these problems. We're going to figure out what these equal, So log base 16 of 4, we don't know what that equals. Let's go ahead and convert it to exponential in order to calculate this. Converting it to exponential, 16 to what power is 4? 16 to what power is 4? Think about that. That is 1/2 power. Because remember, 1/2 means square root. Again, 3 to what power is 81? 3 to the 4th power is 81. That's all you do. Number 11. To figure out this answer, draw your E. 1/3 to what power is 243. And we get, it's got to flip, so it's got to be negative something. Go ahead and think about that. Let me type it in my calculator. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. I believe it is the negative 5th power. And then the last one, let's figure out 5 to what power is negative 25. And that is not possible. No solution. You cannot raise 5 to a power to make negative 25. And if you were thinking negative 2, no, that's not right, because 5 to the negative 2 power is 1/25. Let me know what questions you guys have on converting exponentials to logs, and have a great night.